Wait. No! That's a raisin.
These are it right here. These are the ones you can buy. They're the same ones we got out here.
We're picking strawberries. You ready? Are you ready? Look. Pick your own. You're picking strawberries. Guys, look at this strawberry farm. I mean, it is massive. We're gonna go row for row. We're strawberry picking today. Becky.
What?
We've never done this.
No.
You're a farmer today. Can you make strawberry sourdough bread?
I'm gonna figure it out.
Strawberry sourdough bread coming next.
Strawberry sourdough bagels.
That too. Strawberry everything. Apparently, I mean, look, we got enough strawberries. I want to eat one now. Lily, are you picking strawberries?
I'm gonna put this. Mom, do you mind just holding it?
You want to hold it?
Get her on my shoulders.
Hold it.
I'm gonna put her on my shoulders.
Are you gonna be a little YouTuber one day?
This girl is getting heavy.
Yeah, look at this.
You eat a strawberry?
Look at the size of
Look
that.
at that berry in her.
Come here, come here, come here. Pick your first strawberry. What? Look at this one. I'm gonna pick my first ever. I'm a floor. Uh-oh, this one got a little something on it. We'll take it anyway. No, that's a raisin. Look at this one. They're everywhere. All right, he said, go. That's a nice one. He said, go to the far row. Come on, let's catch up with Mom. This is like an onion plant. I wonder if that's there to keep stuff away. Guys, if you know why, that's like some kind of onion plant. This is pretty cool. All right, so we wanted to know what those onions were at the entrance of every row. And this gentleman here is, well, who are you and what are you? What do you do and why are those there?
My name is Joshua Guerin, and this farm is my uncle's, and I'm a foreman here pretty much. But them strawberries, or the strawberries, are for the onions. And what they do is, every year we have strawberries on our beds here, and what it is strawberries, they grow sweet, and so they give that onion a little bit better of a sweeter taste. And this is the only time you can get a strawberry onion is from strawberries. Strawberry season.
Awesome. Yeah, and I thought they were there maybe for like, you know, like a pesticide. We didn't know. We were just like there on the entrance of every row. So we're not allowed to pick those, are we?
No, not these yet, because we have 4 or 5 acres down the road here. Not even a minute down the road. We have about 30 to 40,000 of them out there.
Nice. Okay.
See, a regular onion's about that big.
Okay.
And a strawberry onion's that big.
Whoa.
Yeah, these right here are just for the taste and the looks, but these are not getting all the fertilizer that we want to give them like these.
Gotcha. Okay.
These are getting 10 gallons. Those are getting 30 gallons.
Gotcha. Okay.
So those are growing fast.
So what is the name of this? So I'm born and raised in Florida, 5 generations.
Okay.
What's the name of this location, and you know, how would people find you guys if they want to come do this?
Just come on down to McIntosh, 3 Sun Farms. You can Google us at 3 Sun Farms, and you'll see us right there.
Awesome.
Our address and everything.
I appreciate your time and explaining, because we were very curious what those were. And guys, you heard it, 3 Sons Farms. 3 Sons Farm.
Yep.
Say that 10 times.
Yeah.
Exactly. Well, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much, and keep doing what you're doing, because I mean, this is incredible. Thank you, guys.
Thank y'all for your business.
Look at Caleb. Becky's gonna make strawberry bagels.
Here.
Football, basketball, ready, go. Oh.
Boom.
Can you make it? Oh.
Now.
Oh my goodness, look at these 2 beauties. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Big one.
Are you picking strawberries?
Careful, there is beans out.
Hey, look. He said, let's go back in this corner over here. He said they're massive over there.
Hey, Dad. Let's go this way and then go far.
Yeah.
We can go up and go that way.
He said, that's what he was saying, is over here, because I guess nobody goes over there.
Good. I've seen a lot of people around here.
Oh, here's a good one.
You got to flip them over and look at the bottom. Look. Girl. Oh, right, you passed this monster.
Oh, wow.
What? Ooh. Eating that one right
I wanna
now.
take a whole plant and just take it home and plant it.
You can't do that, but they might ask you. I think you could just plant this.
Can I eat this right now?
That's the seeds on the outside of it. Just plant a whole strawberry. Look at that monster strawberry over there. You see it?
That one right there.
Go get it.
Hold this.
Go. Here's another one.
Listen to Lily. Lily!
We're picking strawberries. We got us a whole flat. Throw it. Oh, strawberry basketball. Guys, look at all the strawberries. This is crazy. And there's so many people out here picking and they keep growing. And I just realized all the little white flowers are the next little strawberries. It didn't dawn on me at first, but that is going to be that very soon. Guys, what do you know about strawberries? Picking them, growing them. What's good, what's not good? Are they better big, green? Are they bigger? Are they better, bigger, smaller?
I always like them big.
You gonna be baking berries? Becky's baking berry sourdough bagels. Steve, what are you making? Jam. Lily, what are you eating? Strawberry.
I got a
All
nice
of
berry. Do you want it? It's not so ripe. You'll have it for later.
Eat it on the way
Will
home.
it ripen?
That
Yeah,
one
you're-
will get
you're-
ripe.
but
Yeah.
you got ice.
It'll
Come
it'll
on.
turn ripen.
She went from picking berries to eating ice
Shit,
cream.
we should walk the last one because
All right.
it's got shade.
More. Let's go. This is a great outdoor family fun, and we get to go home and cook them. Well, not cook them, but make stuff with them.
She's like, I need another one.
Strawberry jam, strawberry jelly, strawberry preserve, strawberry this, strawberry that. Rye, strawberry ice cream, strawberry shortcake. That's a good one. Nice. Hold on. I'm skipping rows. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. I got the whole stem and all. Hold on.
Dad, there's a big berry right there. You see it right over there, right where you're at, across?
There's so many berries.
Is that a big nice one?
Yeah. That was a good
All right, guys.
Yes.
I think we got our limit. We got. I just realized this thing says holds 10 pounds. We don't quite. I don't even have 10 pounds, but if you haven't done this, you have to try this. It's pretty fun. I mean, it's a great family outdoor, and then you get to take them home, cook with them, and there's a whole next level of, like, you know, fun when you go home and make whatever you're gonna make with them. Strawberry shortcake, strawberry jam, strawberry, whatever you're making. But come out here and enjoy Florida. Look, she's not done. I knew it. You were gonna find another good one. Sometimes they're hiding underneath the leaves. Are you strawberried out? Is that strawberry ice cream? I think we should try a strawberry ice cream back.
Yeah.
Caleb, let me see what you got.
Strawberry milkshakes up there.
Mom.
I know, but you were, look, I could tell yours, you were very picky.
I didn't like
All yours got like, they look like they came out of Publix. Guys, it's been fun. Glad you could come along with us for this family journey. We document and we share everything, not only for you guys, but for us. You know, we want to relive these moments and have them for years to come. All right, so I had some questions about if we could actually buy one of these plants out here, these strawberry plants. And he said, yeah, jump on the side-by-side and we'll go up there. So we're going up front real quick, guys. And I'm getting a side-by-side ride. That's gonna be, you said, a sunflower farm or sunflower?
Yes, it's going to be 6 to 8 foot tall sunflowers.
6 to 8
It's
foot
gonna be a
tall
maze.
sunflowers with a maze.
Really on the chain. It's really
All right. This is awesome. Guys, you gotta come try this.
These are it right here. These are the ones you can buy. They're the same ones we got out here, but they're a little smaller.
Okay.
They don't produce like, I think each plant out here in the field produces 30 to 40 berries each. These
Okay.
will produce about 5 to 10.
Okay, and those are for purchase. So if somebody wanted to
Yeah.
grow their own strawberries, they could do
Yeah,
that.
if you want to buy one, they're already fertilized, sprayed, and taken care of.
We're getting one, brother. Well, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah,
thank you
man.
so much.
Yep.
We're gonna go pay for these bad boys, take them home.
And tell them you want to plant outside that's in the flower pot.
You got it. One last question for you. So we were thinking of strawberry stuff. What's the number one like what do most people buy, come out here, pick them, what do they go home and do with them?
They do milkshakes, or they make strawberry shortcakes, and sometimes they want to dip it in chocolate. But I tell everybody, dip it in chocolate, let it get hard, then you get the white chocolate, dip it in that, and it gives you a
Oh,
better sweetness.
okay.
That's the
Now
better one.
now we know the secret. Anyways, love you guys. Glad you got to join us through this lens right here. We're gonna go pay for these bad boys, get home, and start cooking. But he said we could They're so fresh, you could eat them right now, but we gotta go weigh them first. Anyways, we're out. Love you guys. All right, now we're in the inside. They got like a little booth area where you can come, but check this out. They got some Florida honey, pure Florida orange blossom, all kind of, you name it, they got it. Bacon flavored summer tomato, and whoa, that just sounds good. Raspberry barbecue sauce, Three Sons, apple hickory. $5, let's go. Support local farmers. I want one of each. Kickin' vinegar, or whatever that says. And we're gonna go with some Southern Classic. And we're gonna go with some apple hickory. That's what happens when you go to the farmer's market.